And after a long 20 minutes of soccer at Marvin, say bye. We are dead. We are dead. Yeah, that's why we play soccer. And this is us about to die. And we are dead. See all that sweat? Yeah.
What are you saying? I got my license. I'm driving. Super fast. Can't you see the pole pushing by us? Oh, look, a little negative.
So, how'd you feel about that game of soccer with Gary?
Who?
Gary.
That's his name?
Yeah. He's so mean.
He's not good at soccer.
Bang him. Look at all that sweat. That's some soccer sweat right there. Okay. Bye. No, right here. Okay. Bye.